Yes, I'm sorry. I need to bathe.
Is that all it'll take to restore your reputation? I think not, sir. People are talking, Jekyll. Influential people. You've been seen around town indulging in disgusting behaviour.
These influential people, they friends of yours?
Are you insinuating that I entertain people of low moral standard? I came here today because my daughter has...
I never touched her!
How am I to believe that?
I am an honourable man, sir.
You'll swear upon that?
If needs be, will these friends of yours do the same?
What are you suggesting?
I am merely stating, should anyone have anything to say about my so-called behaviour, you should name them. What are these influential friends of yours doing in such places?
I never said any of them were present.
What are you saying, sirDanvers? Think wisely before you speak. We don't want a scandal, do we?
Scandal?
A scandal. Naming names.
No. We don't want a scandal.
Good. Pleased to hear it.
I understand what you're saying.
And I understand, sir, that your daughter is ill.
Yeah. She's ill. Confused. Goodbye, Jekyll. From today, we will never see each other again. The man I knew and respected no longer exists.